Tony, it's a pun.
Are you guys playing? Be gentle. Are your arms stuck, Blake? Check out this crazy hair. Check out this crazy hair he's got. Oh, excuse you. Can you say excuse you?
There's a baby Blake in the middle.
Is baby Blake looking up at James?
He doesn't know the kind.
Oh yeah, baby Blake doesn't eat food yet. That's just for James.
Baby Blake eat it, mine.
Yeah, it's yours, not for baby Blake.
And then eat it, baby eat it in my turn.
Yeah.
Baby said that. Boy. Baby said that.
Did the baby spit out? Are your arms stuck, sweetie? Pull out your arms.
Paw.
And what are you doing, James?
I'm back here. Pull.
Oh, be gentle. Don't pull too hard.
Pull. It did stay up.
Don't pull. Just hold his hand.